Today's press conference is dated September 15, 2021. Please look at the records of what we said in September 2021 to the people of Goa. We said, trust TMC, we are here to serve Goa for years to come. Yes, that is our credibility, that we can say the same thing on September 15, 2022. They said a vote for Goa TMC is a vote for Goa TMC. A vote for Goa Congress is a vote for Goa BJP. A vote for Goa BJP is a vote for Goa Congress. Have we made mistakes in building our organization? Of course we have. We never claim, hum log sab janta hai. We know everything. No. We have made mistakes. But the best part of TMC and what we learn from our chairperson Mamata Banerjee is learn from your mistakes. Yesterday, to give you a summary of our state committee meeting, as we were just chatting when we came here, they just told me, Derek, only one thing we discussed, nothing else. How to build the organization here in Goa. Religion is private. Your religion is private. Festivals are for everyone. That is our simple philosophy, not a complicated philosophy. There are 3 promises we made, and we will not leave Goa till we deliver these 3 promises to the people of Goa.